Walk down any grocery store aisle and you'll see it. A wall of cans stretching as far as the eye can see. Each can is a promise of convenience, a shortcut to a quick meal, and a testament to the art of preservation. Among these shelves stands a fortress of preserved fish, a silent army waiting to be called into action for your next meal. And right in the center, tuna. It's the undisputed champion of the canned seafood world, beloved for its versatility and reliability. Canned tuna is a pantry staple, a hero for quick lunches, last-minute dinners, and even midnight snacks. It's there when you need it most, ready to transform into salads, sandwiches, casseroles, or even sushi rolls. But before you can unleash its potential, there's a crucial choice to make: water-packed or oil-packed. This decision is more important than it seems. This isn't just about what liquid is in the can, it's a battle of flavor, texture, and nutrition. The liquid inside shapes the very character of the tuna, influencing every bite you take. The liquid isn't just a packing medium, it's an ingredient that changes the fish itself. It seeps into the tuna, affecting its taste, its texture, and even its nutritional profile. Water preserves tuna's natural, cooked form. It keeps the fish lean, clean, and close to its original flavor. If you want pure tuna taste, water-packed is the way to go. Oil, on the other hand, infuses and transforms it. The oil seeps into the flesh, making it richer, silkier, and more decadent. It's a flavor boost that can elevate simple recipes into something special. The right tuna can make a good dish great, or ruin it if you choose poorly. The difference between a dry, bland salad and a luscious, satisfying one often comes down to the liquid in your can. When you open that can, you're not just getting fish, you're getting the foundation of your meal. The choice you make here will echo through every bite. The packing liquid dictates how tuna behaves with other ingredients, its mouthfeel, and its nutrition. Oil-packed tuna can add richness to pasta or salads, while water-packed keeps things light and fresh. We're here to break it all down: taste, texture, nutrition. We'll explore how each type stands up in classic recipes, and which one might be the secret weapon for your next meal. By the end, you won't just grab a can off the shelf. You'll make a strategic choice, armed with knowledge and confidence. You'll be the master of your tuna destiny, ready to create meals that are not just quick, but truly delicious. So grab your can opener and get ready to discover the secrets inside every can. The great tuna standoff is about to begin. Let's dive in and settle the debate once and for all. Let's talk texture. When it comes to tuna, texture is just as important as taste. The way tuna feels in your mouth can completely change your eating experience, whether you're making a quick lunch or a gourmet dinner. Tuna isn't just tuna, each type brings its own unique qualities to the table. Water-packed tuna is firm and flaky, each piece holds together, giving you a satisfying bite that doesn't fall apart. It's the kind of tuna that feels substantial, with a texture that's easy to work with in all sorts of recipes. When you drain it, you get distinct, drier pieces, perfect for salads where you want visible chunks. These pieces stand out in a bowl, adding both texture and visual appeal to your dish. It's ideal for recipes where you want the tuna to be noticed, not just blend in. The texture is clean, light, and close to freshly cooked tuna. It's almost like you just made it yourself with a freshness that's hard to beat. This makes water-packed tuna a great choice for anyone who loves that homemade feel. If you want your tuna to hold its shape, water-packed is your friend. It's perfect for sandwiches, salads, or any dish where you want the tuna to stay in pieces, not turn into a mushy spread. Oil-packed tuna is a different experience. The moment you open the can, you'll notice the difference. The tuna glistens, and the aroma is richer. The oil seeps into the fish, making it softer, moister, and more luxurious. Every bite feels indulgent, almost like a treat. The oil doesn't just add moisture, it transforms the tuna into something silky and decadent. The flakes meld together, creating a rich, velvety mouthfeel. Instead of separate pieces, you get a smooth, cohesive texture that's perfect for creamy dishes or spreads. It's less about individual pieces and more about a cohesive, decadent mass. This makes oil-packed tuna ideal for recipes where you want a smooth, unified texture. Think pâtés, dips, or luxurious pasta sauces. Press it with a fork, and it mashes smoothly, ideal for spreads or rich salads. The oil helps everything blend together, making it easy to create creamy, flavorful dishes with minimal effort. Oil carries flavor and creates a smoother consistency. It also helps the tuna absorb herbs, spices, or citrus, making every bite more flavorful and satisfying. The trade-off, firm and flaky versus soft and silky, Each style has its own strengths, and the right choice depends on what you're making and how you want your dish to feel. Choose water-packed for structure, oil-packed for indulgence. Think about the end result you want. Do you want your tuna to stand out, or to blend in and add richness? Texture isn't just a detail, it's the heart of your tuna dish. The right texture can make a simple meal feel special, or turn an ordinary recipe into something memorable. The right texture can elevate your meal. So next time you reach for a can of tuna, think about how you want it to feel, not just how it tastes. Which do you prefer? Now, let's talk flavor. When it comes to canned tuna, the taste experience can be surprisingly nuanced, and the type you choose can make a big difference in your final dish. Whether you're a longtime tuna lover, or just starting to explore the world of canned fish, understanding these differences can help you make the best choice for your palate and your recipes. Water-packed tuna delivers a pure, direct tuna taste, clean, fish-forward, and a blank canvas for your recipes. It's the closest you'll get to the natural flavor of the fish, with nothing to mask or mellow its essence. The quality of the fish shines through, making it the choice for purists. If you want your tuna salad, casserole, or sushi roll to taste unmistakably of tuna, water-packed is the way to go. Drain it, season it, and you control the flavor. You can add as much or as little seasoning as you like, letting your creativity take the lead. This makes water-packed tuna incredibly versatile for all kinds of dishes, from light salads to hearty pastas. Oil-packed tuna, on the other hand, is infused with the oil's character, often olive oil, sometimes vegetable. The oil not only preserves the tuna but also imparts its own subtle notes, creating a more layered flavor profile. The oil mellows the fishiness, adding richness and depth. It softens the edges of the tuna's natural flavor, making each bite feel more indulgent and satisfying. The result is a smoother, more savory and less assertive flavor. Oil-packed tuna is often described as luxurious, with a mouthfeel that's both moist and tender. Oil-packed tuna is ready to eat straight from the can, already complex and harmonious. It's perfect for quick snacks, antipasto platters, or simply served on crusty bread with a squeeze of lemon. The oil distributes flavor throughout the fish, creating a luxurious taste. Every flake is coated, ensuring a consistent, rich bite from start to finish. If you're sensitive to strong, fishy flavors, oil-packed is often more palatable. The oil acts as a buffer, making the tuna gentler and more approachable for those who might shy away from bold seafood flavors. The choice: pure, clean flavor or rich, infused complexity. Your recipe, your call. Think about what you want your dish to highlight. The unadulterated taste of the sea, or a more rounded, savory experience. Taste is personal. Let it guide you. There's no right or wrong answer, only what suits your preferences and the meal you're creating. Which flavor profile fits your dish? Whether you crave the clean simplicity of water-packed or the rich, savory notes of oil-packed, let your taste buds lead the way and enjoy the journey of discovery. Let's look at nutrition. Water-packed tuna is the low-calorie, low-fat champion. A serving contains significantly fewer calories, sometimes 50 to 60 less per serving. The only fat comes from the fish itself, making it a lean, clean choice. Perfect for low-fat diets or calorie counters. Oil-packed tuna, however, is higher in calories and fat, sometimes 2 to 3 times more. The type of oil matters. Olive oil adds healthy fats, but some brands use less beneficial oils. Draining oil removes some fat, but much is absorbed by the fish. Even drained, oil-packed tuna is richer. The choice depends on your dietary goals. Want lean protein? Go water-packed. Want richness and healthy fats? Choose oil-packed. Just check the label. Nutrition is about balance. Pick what fits your needs. Both types of tuna are protein powerhouses. Water-packed tuna sometimes has slightly more protein per serving, since oil can displace some fish. The difference is small, but for athletes or macro counters, it might matter. Omega-3s are another factor. Oil can draw some out of the fish, so if you drain the oil, you may lose some healthy fats. Water-packed tends to retain more omega-3s in the fish itself. Both are excellent protein sources. The choice comes down to subtle differences in protein and omega-3 retention. Either way, you're fueling your body well. When should you reach for water-packed tuna? Its clean flavor and firm texture make it the ultimate team player. Perfect for recipes where you want to control fat and flavor, like classic tuna salad with mayo or Greek yogurt. The firm flakes hold up in Niçoise salads, pasta salads, and tuna melts. It's ideal for baked dishes like tuna noodle casserole where you don't want extra oil. Water-packed tuna absorbs flavors from sauces and dressings, letting other ingredients shine. It's the go-to for health-conscious cooks and light, fresh recipes. Use it when you want tuna as a lean protein, not a source of richness. Water-packed gives you control. It's your blank canvas. For light, balanced dishes, it's the clear choice. Keep it on hand for healthy meals. Let your creativity lead. Oil-packed tuna shines when you want richness and flavor to take center stage. It's perfect for simple, rustic dishes, like Italian tuna and white bean salad, or flaked-over crusty bread with lemon and pepper. Use the oil from the can as part of your dressing or sauce. It's great in pasta with garlic and chili, where the oil creates a luscious sauce. Oil-packed tuna makes sandwiches rich and cohesive, no mayo needed. It's fantastic on antipasto platters, standing up to bold flavors. Choose oil-packed when you want decadence and depth. Don't drain away the flavor, embrace it. Let oil-packed tuna be the star. For indulgent, flavor-forward dishes, it's unbeatable. When richness is the goal, oil-packed is king. Use it boldly. Brand matters as much as packing liquid. For water-packed, brands like Starkist, Bumblebee, and Wild Planet offer quality and consistency. Wild Planet and Safe Catch focus on sustainability and lower mercury. Even within water-packed, quality varies. Look for firm texture and clean flavor. For oil-packed, the oil's quality is key. Premium brands like Ortiz and Tonino use high-quality olive oil for superior flavor. Genova Tano is a good balance of quality and price. Always check the label. Olive oil is best. Mass-market brands have gourmet lines with olive oil too. Choose based on your taste, budget, and values. Good tuna starts with good sourcing. Your taste buds and health will thank you. So, which tuna wins? There's no single champion. The best tuna is the one that fits your health goals and your recipe. Water-packed is for lean, healthy meals and total control. Oil-packed is for flavor, richness, and simple, elegant dishes. The savvy cook keeps both on hand. Light lunch? Grab water-packed. Decadent pasta? Reach for oil-packed. Understand the differences: taste, texture, nutrition, and application. Elevate your cooking from basic to brilliant. The choice is yours. Be strategic, be creative, and enjoy every bite.